Mediaket shows you how to change the DNS servers in HUAWEI Echolife HG520b Modem. Type the following IP and hit Enter key. Type here, username, admin, and default password, admin. And click OK. Click on Basic left menu. Click on DHCP submenu. Here, we have used the Google DNS servers. Primary DNS server, 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS server, 8.8.4.4. You can use other DNS servers that we have listed on the right, and there are more. Click on Submit button. As you can see, the DNS server addresses have been changed. Click on Tools left menu. Click on Reboot submenu. Check Current Settings option. And finally, click on Restart button and then click on OK. We have finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.